Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, we will learn about the dice problem. The problem says which number is opposite to number 3. Now we know that in a dice there are total 6 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So which number is opposite to number 3? So we are given the 4 options. Now we see over here that in the first option the number 5 and 6 are adjacent to number 3, and in the second option we see that 6 and 1 are adjacent to number 3. It means 1, 5 and 6 are adjacent to number 3. And in the third option we see that number 1 and number 2 are adjacent to number 3. It means 1, 2, 5 and 6 all are adjacent to number 3. So the number 4 is left. So we can say that the number 4 is opposite to number 3. So D is the correct option. Now here we have another problem. It is saying that what is the opposite face of 5? Now in a dice, here we see that 1, 4, 5 numbers are over here, and here we see that number 2, 5 and 6 numbers are given. Now it is asking that what is the opposite face of 5. Now how to solve this problem? We have to rotate this device in a clockwise direction starting from the 5. So 5, 4 and 1. So in the first step we will write 5, 4 and 1, and here again rotate this in a clockwise direction starting from the 5. So 5, 2 and 6. Now here we have 5, 4, 1 and 5, 2, 6. It means 1 is opposite to number 6, number 4 is opposite to number 2, number 5 is opposite to number 3 because number 3 is left. So it means that number 3 is the answer. Now we can also solve this problem using another method. Now let us see that we have to find out the opposite face of 5. Now we can see over here that 1 is adjacent to number 5, also 4 is adjacent to number 5, and here we can see that number 2 and number 6 are adjacent to number 5. It means 1, 4, 6 and 2 are adjacent to number 5. It means the number 3 is left. So we can say that number 3 is the answer and it is the opposite face of number 5. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.